Sports bar and cafe there. Lots of people wandering on the street here. And then just we have a massage now. We'll get across and show you from the other side. It was just busy as I come past as some kind of Aussie. Oh, how are you? Do you have the Bali love? Woo! Some of the seafood, snapper, lobster. The yard's so busy inside. Dolce Vita, packed and coming up here. Tom Yum. Okay, here's a start point for this evening's video. Pasar Seni Kuta, otherwise known as the Kuta Art Market. It's located down in the back there. It's heading towards Kuta Beach. This is heading towards Kuta Square. Jalan Kartika Plaza. Very busy with cars on the street. And this is where we're going to be heading tonight. We just cut across the street here. Lights galore. Here's our first restaurant. And some Balinese style dancing going on inside of there. Hello! And some of the seafood, snapper, lobster, prawns in there. And they have some kind of show going on there. A few customers inside there. I'm gonna head down the street now. Wow, so busy on the street with cars. It's busy in many of the bars and places. I've already had a look. This restaurant coming up here. Tom Yum. Kintai Kitchen. Oh, I think this is a new one. It's changed name. Kintai Kitchen. Oh, yeah, it was different. This it's changed. Kintai Kitchen now. Oh. A bit busy on the street here.
I went to change it.
Have the flapjacks here.
Oh, okay.
Very nice inside of flapjacks there. There's the Stadium Cafe Sports Bar. We'll walk past this in a minute. So we'll just walk past this while we're on this side, and then we'll get across and show you from the other side. It was just busy as I come past as some kind of Aussie Rules football on, but it's not as busy as it was now. Crispy fried burger, stadium burger. Did have some entertainment on as well. And then we're going to head across the street. Okay, so there's where we've just come from. There's a Thai restaurant up there. We have flapjacks here. Stadium sports bar and cafe there. Lots of people wandering on the street here. And then just we have a massage lady here. Oh, massage! And a few shops in the back here. Lots of perfumes and things there. This is called Wake Square. Lots of tourist goods and things in here. The Bali coffees. Black coffee there. Lots of things in there. We have like a just a big tourist souvenir shop. The shooting range upstairs. Just take you to the door and just show you. This is an absolutely huge Wake Square. Absolutely huge tourist goods shop inside there. Okay, so just coming outside, there's a shooting range. Just go up them stairs there. Stadium Sports Cafe across there. They're playing some music now. Have El Dente Italian restaurant there. It's quite busy actually in El Dente, I see. Very busy on the street. Pito Express. And here we have Big Couple. Big Couple. And they have like a free kids play area as well in there. A few people in there, the big screen TVs as well in there. A Copyright music going on in there. And just across the street we have Bluefin, a seafood house there. Big couple. Okay, so just coming up on the street here now, we have the Paradiso Hotel. Just featured the Paradiso in a video. A few tourists on the street here this evening. I think you've all been watching the football. Paradiso, Kuta Paradiso Hotel. So I'll have the link in the description of that one for you. And then next door to the Kuta Paradiso is the Matilda Sports Bar. Okay, so this is the Matilda Sports Bar. Easy in there. This in there. Bike. It's in both sides. Joy with boba. Nice looking drink. Some little tourist good shops here. Laundry service. And then just across the house here we have Jan's house. Featured this in a video. I shall have the link in the description of that one for you. We have the Mellis Stay Beach Bungalow Hotel here. Tourist good shops here. Tourist information service. And Bali Spa. So that's the Mellis Stay Kuta Beach Hotel. Oh, we can't see, it's too bright. It's there anyway. Mellis Stay Kuta Beach Hotel. The Mellis Stay Restaurant here. Nobody inside there. It's never very popular, that one, for some reason. The Alpha Mart here. Have our seafood restaurant across the street here. Orung Seafood. We have a few tourists in there. Popular big menu, 20% off on the menu it says. Guy doing all the seafoods at the front here. The guy's cooking the seafood here. And just from our seafood place there, back on the other side we have Hotel Karthi. Karthi. Just in the back there. Room rates start from 275,000. More tourists walking on the street here, nice to see. Sativik by nature. It's a pure vegetarian Indian restaurant. The Wake Bali Art Market here. We'll have a couple there with the fish bar. This is another one like the one that we've just seen further up, lots of souvenirs and stuff in there. Stretches right into the back. And just across the street there, so there's Sativik by nature of Kimberley Spa, and we have Dolce Vita here. Let's go across and say hello to Kimberley Spa. And the girls are outside at the front here. There we go, there's the name. Hello, good evening, Kimberley Spa. How are you? Do you have the Bali love? Woo! It's Kimberly's bar. The girls inside as well, some customers inside there. And then just next door we have Dolce Vita. This is a very, very popular Italian restaurant, this. Oh my god, so busy inside. Dolce Vita. Packed inside. Full at the front here, full inside. Very good. How are you, brother? Good? Yeah, every table literally taken there. There's the Wake Bali art market. And we're just going to continue down the street. So we still have people on the street. He's offering me marijuana. Okay, we just cut across on the other side now. We have Temple by Ginger Moon. There's nobody at the front here. It's not too busy inside this evening. Just a few customers. Temple by Ginger Moon. Cocktail Masterclass, 390k. Quite a few tourists on the street actually.
Oh no, it's free.
It's good to see. Here we have Pizzeria. Coffee and Q is the next one. Pizzeria. Some people in there. Some there as well. Coffee and Q is next door. And then I think it's car bar at the end. This is Coffee and Q. So coffee and cake. A few people in there. I was watching the football must have finished now. I was doing some dancing, they have a musical artist on as well in there. Just go round to the side here. This is the Bali Garden Beach Resort in the back. Beer garden. Few again with the football shirts and things in there. Very good. Pool table. Bali Garden Beach Resort in the back.
Hello.
Okay, so there it is, the Bali Garden Beach Resort. I featured this in a video. I shall have the link in the description for you. A collection of ATM machines and money changer across the street there. And just coming up here on the right we have R Bar, Tapas, Salsa, Dance, Cantina, says there. Hello, good evening, how are you? Do you have the Bali love? Woo! Very, very nice looking place inside that. A few customers actually in there in the back. Churros. Still another big group of tourists coming through here. Wow. Just follow down. Next we have Warung Damar. It is usually very busy, as it is this evening. Super busy in there. Very busy. Around, sorry. Warung Damar. July special. 119k. Chicken goreng mamak. Cooking class as well. Every Friday. I'll show you the name. Warung Damar. Across the street there is the water bomb Bali, biggest water park in Bali. And then here's our finishing point. We have the bamboo bar and grill here. Musical artist on And then across the street we have the Discovery Shopping Mall, and this is where we're going to finish this evening. We've just cut across, so we have Sogo. This is a department store right here. Discovery Shopping Mall is up in the top there. We have Spice Mantra. This is a Indian restaurant there. Have Subway, Starbucks, Five Monkeys Burgers, all up above there. We have Warung Telegas there, and we have Beres Mera, which I think is part of the is it Adi Dharma or Adi Jaya Hotel. There's a Sogo, and this is where we finish this evening. Discovery Shopping Mall.